What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. You guys, I am back in Aldi, down the Aldi Finds aisle, and I have to show some of these new items to you guys, show to you, share with you. Yeah, I'm a little tired today. Oh my gosh, look at this one. We have flavors like strawberry, rhubarb, raspberry, vanilla, fruit cocktail with chocolate cream, mixed fruit jelly with vanilla cream, cherry with mousse, and lemon with mousse. These are $3.99. These are specially selected chocolate truffle eggs. We also have an end cap here with bunnies. Let me grab my cart, you guys. We have an end cap with bunnies and a lot of really cute stuff. Okay, here we go. The bunnies are $2.69, 4.23 ounces. We have bunnies, chicks, or lambs in a little container. Those are 4.41 ounces, fine chocolate. We also have the super cute milk chocolate bunnies with caramel filling. We have milk chocolate bunnies with milky creme filling. And we have milk chocolate bunnies with yogurt or raspberry flavored creme filling. Yes, we are close to Canada, therefore we must say creme. Okay, you guys, we also have solid or hollow bunnies. And then we have the little eggs. We get 24 small hollow eggs and one big egg in each pack for $4.99. We also have these for $3.99. And then we have hollow piggies. We also have hollow lambs. And we have little duckies. They're all hollow, super cute. I have to say, I've never seen lambs, pigs, or duckies before. We have some milk chocolate eggs for $1.99. These are $3.99, and these are $3.99 as well. And then we have some vanilla and cocoa wafer eggs. The bag's pretty heavy, almost 9 ounces, made in Germany. Vanilla and cocoa wafer eggs, plain and dark chocolate coated, a mix of uncoated and dark chocolate coated crispy wafers with creamy cocoa and vanilla flavored filling. Here's a look on the back for you. Chocolate is one of those things. Lots of calories, lots of saturated fat, so you gotta pick a good one. Yeah, you guys, we just have basically this whole wall about a third of the way down. The whole wall is Easter items, and then we get into some snacky items, some seasonal items, and then this whole area going straight down is like home items. Let's just start over here for now. This is a single serve coffee maker. It can brew 2 sizes, an 8 ounce or a 15 ounce, or it can use K-cups or grounds. This is the brand Ambiano. I got something like this a few years back at Walmart for about $19.97, and I'm still using it. But to be honest with you guys, I haven't seen anything with that price point since. This is probably the closest. And I believe it just comes in the gray. We also have a vacuum sealer for $34.99. It's 90 watt. It's a 3-in-1 cutting, vacuuming, and sealing. A 50 piece, that's lids included, of a nice big storage set. This is $13.99. It says flour on it. Crofton stoneware canisters. There's some double wall glass coffee mugs. And we have this size. My location is out of the French press with the bamboo lid for $9.99. Antibacterial cutting boards for $7.99. large storage bins for $4.99. Love seat or armchair covers for $17.99. That's a great deal. Pet beds, $14.99. All of the candles in the nice gift box are here with the magnetic closure. These are $5.99. I'm gonna tell you, it looks and feels like more than $5.99, and I haven't even taken the candle out of the box yet. Here we go. It's a nice 2-wick. White almond. Ooh, really nice warm scent. And the box is nice. The box feels quality. Has a little bit of protection from shattering at the base in there. Let's put the lid back on. This is the lid. Oops. Sorry for the bump. We also have clementine and pomegranate, peppered vanilla and cashmere, and of course the one I showed, that was white almond. A lady's robe, silky and pretty. It comes above the knee for $14.99. We also have men's Sherpas or the Sherpa quarter zip for $14.99. Those are still here, as well as the 50 by 60 cozy throws by Huntington Home. One side is knitted in sort of a nice chenille, and the other side is a nice fuzzy white fleece. We have some slides down here by the brand Crane, sort of a huckleberry, raspberry, mauve color. We have this sort of, not quite a Tiffany blue, it's kind of a greeny aqua. We also have navy, and anything else? I think that's it, just the 3 colors. And those are only $4.99 each. Has anyone tried these? They don't feel quite as durable as like Adidas slides or Crocs, but you know, they feel pretty good. We have a new little set. These are 4-inch ceramic herb planter sets. Ooh, I think they have little chalkboard labels on them, possibly. They actually do. The sticker was covering mine though. We have blue, gray, and white. Wow, you guys, lots of good items here. Ooh, the DentaGuard rechargeable sonic toothbrush, $24.99, and it comes with 3 replacement heads plus the one that's on it. They're comparing this to the Philips Sonicare brush heads. Well, they're comparing the brushes. So I guess we're supposed to assume that the brush is like the Philips Sonicare toothbrush. We have standard, sensitive, whitening, and deep clean. And what does it give us? It gives us a 2-year warranty. It needs a battery. Oh wait, no it doesn't. It says extra long battery life. It actually comes with a charging base. It has a 2-minute smart timer, 40,000 strokes per minute, fading bristles. They'll let you know when you need to replace them, and a waterproof handle. 4 unique modes, 4 different brush modes, standard, whitening, sensitive, and deep clean. That's how you take the replacement heads on and off. This seems like a pretty great deal if you ask me. I think I might just go ahead and get one for my husband. His kicked the bucket the other day. We'll give it a try. I love that it has a 2-year warranty. A 30-pound kettlebell set for $29.99. We have a 15, a 5, and a 10. So 2 15s, 2 5s, and 2 10s. Now, I can tell you guys already, if you want to buy 2 10s at Five Below, that's going to cost you $10. So this is basically a really, really good rate for weights. If you go anywhere else besides here or Five Below, you're gonna be paying a lot more. So this is coming in just a penny cheaper than what you would pay for at Five Below. However, Five Below does not have the 15-pound set. They only have 5s, 10s, possibly 8s. Organic goodness greatness, 30% juice, $3.89. Udon, kimchi, and miso for $2.19. Okay, what do we have? We have chocolate creme, hazelnut almond, crispy hazelnut, and some duplicates of what I showed you on the end cap. Of course, the Ferrero Rocher, of course, Peeps, of course, Pez for $1.99, and then all the classics down below, like Cadbury. We get 4 for $3.98. We have Reese's. We have the variety bags for $9.98. Ooh, the Robin eggs. These are like, yeah, you guys. Those get me every year. Well, they try to get me every year. They really do. Because I love those things. I think I want to get a 0 sugar Gatorade. I don't know if I want fruit punch today. I think I need orange. I didn't get much sleep last night and I'm feeling super tired. I had a dentist appointment. I can never sleep before dentist appointments, and now I'm crashing. Hot buffalo wing, honey mustard and onion. Snyder's for $1.99. That's a great price. These go for almost $3 in Walmart and everywhere else. $3 or more. That's a really good price. You got to eat just like one at a time and enjoy them. Ooh, Gardettos, so good. Those are also $1.99. And the veggie straws. You can get ranch or cheddar veggie straws. And then you can go on the other aisle where the chips and the crackers are, and you can get 2 additional types of veggie straws. Also for the same price. Yeah, you guys, this video is getting a little bit long. I think we have a lot of winter items over here. Let's just take a quick look. Didn't really mean for the video to be this long, but I know you guys really don't mind when it comes to long videos in Aldi because you guys love looking at everything. Silicone round pan. They're moving things right now. I really don't want to be in his way. He's moving items down, and a lot of the stores are doing that today. They're moving things around and like getting all the spring things out. Oh, here's that French press. That's $9.99. And aren't these so cute, you guys? The mini baking dishes. Those are adorable. Those are just $3.99. We also have some ramekins, a 2-piece set. Oh my gosh, you guys. I know these have been here for a while, but they're just so cute. For little single pies or little like brownies or breads or whatever you want to make. Corner tool holder, that's $19.99, still here. The little bench is still here as well for $39.99. The mini fridge is still here for $59.99. The pressure cooker's $49.99. This is brand new, you guys, and super, super heavy. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so heavy and substantial. This is $14.99. This is an acacia chopping block. I wonder if we have bamboo ones as well, because those all say acacia. Up here, more cozy stuff. Blankets, slippers, $4.89. These are so cute for just $4.89. And you can wear them out to the car. That's a great price. And the sculpted blankets, these are just $19.99. Full/queen or king size for under $20. Wow, you guys. Well, that's it for me. This video has already reached over 16 minutes, so I think I'm going to go ahead and end here and finish my grocery shopping. I had so much fun shopping with you guys and bringing you guys along. I love coming into Aldi every week. I love getting their produce and checking out the Aldi Finds aisle every single week. But all right, you guys, that's it for me. Thanks for shopping with me here in Aldi, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.